Alright. Got a couple of Boxing Day pickups. Double pack, Mila Jovovich in ultraviolet. Never seen that, but this is the reason why I got this one. Never owned The Fifth Element on DVD before. That's a fucking awesome movie with Bruce Willis and Mila Jovovich. Fucking awesome. Don't even know if I'll ever watch that one, but got a good deal for that, and that gets me pumped. But this gets me even more pumped. Already opened up. See, the packaging is not in there. Ready to watch it. Unrated director's cut of Hatchet 2. Now I've seen Hatchet. The first one. Basically, in the first one, there was no story at all. Just basically making a movie to get just look like gore effects to me, and the gore effects are pretty fucking good. But absolutely no story at all. Just basically got into it and like on a fucking boat, and that's it. Let's go. We're dead. And I won't say that I hated part one, but let's just put it this way, I don't own it, but this has Daniel Harris in it. So I've always wanted to get this, the sequel. And it also has, Kane Hodder, that's it. And Tony Todd in it too, I think. Yeah, Tony Todd's right there. So there you go. Got 2 pickups. Christmas is over. Let the hangover kick in. Rock you later.